The initial step involves locating a dead car battery within a post-apocalyptic junkyard environment. Identifying a suitable battery requires careful inspection of abandoned vehicles. Physical damage, such as cracks or leaks, must be checked to ensure the battery's integrity. Safety precautions, such as wearing gloves, are essential when handling old batteries. Proper handling minimizes the risk of exposure to hazardous materials. Battery terminals must be cleaned of corrosion to ensure efficient electrical connection. Corrosion can be removed using readily available tools such as rocks or metal scraps. Proper cleaning of battery terminals is essential for maintaining optimal electrical flow. Excessive force during cleaning can damage the battery terminals. Clean battery terminals are necessary for a reliable electrical system. Salvaged wires from discarded electronics can be used for battery connections. Correct polarity is essential. Red wire to positive terminal, black wire to negative terminal. Incorrect wiring can lead to short circuits and potential damage. Alternative charging methods include solar panels and hand crank generators. Like and subscribe.